guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you hover effect in Repeater. Let's get started. So in here, you can see that I have opened my Wix website editor and I have added in here a section that is actually blank. So on this blank section, I can add in here my hover repeater. So for this one, let's click on add elements. And then for this one, you can just search in here for repeater if you can't look for it. But if you actually want or don't want to search, you can just click on the list. And in here, you can see the repeaters. But for this one, we need to choose for the hover repeaters right here. So for this one, I'll just add this first one. And then I will just drag it in here. So I can actually attach it to the specific section of my Wix. So I'll add it right here. And then this will load. And then this will generate me the repeater that I have added. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So let me just adjust this one right here in order to accommodate this. So this is what it looks like. So we can actually edit out anything that is in here. So you can edit out the text for this one. Totally depends on you how you want to manage this specific text right here and also this paragraph. So for example, you have actually done to edit it. You can actually just hover this entire repeater right here. So in here, you can see the regular and you can see the hover. So when you click on hover right here, it will open the hover mode. And then this will actually look on your thing. We just need to choose an effect. So for me, I'll just choose grow for this one. And then for this next one, let's choose another effect. So let's click on hover again. And then in here, you can just click on the hover choose effect button. So click on this one. And let's choose a rotate. And the next one, we'll just need to choose a hover again. Click on hover. And then for this, just choose what is actually on you. You can actually add different things right here if you want. So for this, let's just preview what it looks like on our website. So you can add any different hover because as you can see, once you hover to this, it will tell as well as this, and this. As you can see, our repeater has been hovered. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the hover effect on repeater. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.